Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about limiting reagent. What is limiting reagent? Say for example, in a mobile shop, 100 mobiles are there. These 100 mobiles are without batteries and 70 batteries are there. These are without mobiles. So 70 batteries are there and 100 mobiles are there. That salesman can sell how many mobiles? He can sell 70 mobiles by fixing battery in those mobiles. So this is, say for example, 1. In the next example, in a car showroom, 1000 cars are there and 450 steerings are there. These are the cars without steering. These are the steerings without car. That showroom is able to sell how many cars? By fixing steering to these cars, they can sell only 450 cars. It indicates that the mobiles and cars selling depends on the least number. So the number of objects which consumed completely. So that one is the limiting reagent. Here batteries are the limiting reagent and steerings are the limiting reagents. So the objects which consumed completely in a process of selling is limiting reagent. In the same way, in chemical reactions also, the substance which consumed completely is called limiting reagent. If two reactants are there, form a product, say for example, so it is less in amount and it is more in amount. Because it is less in amount, it is a limiting reagent. Which is more in amount, that is a excess reagent. So limiting reagent means the substance which consumed completely, which reacted 100%, which involved in chemical reaction about 100% is called limiting reagent. Limiting reagent determines the formation of product. So we will see the problem related to limiting reagent. In this problem, see students, he is asking to find the mass and number of molecules of CO2 liberated at STP if 50 grams of calcium carbonate is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid which contains 7.3 grams of dissolved HCl gas. So in this, what he is saying, 50% of calcium carbonate is treated with dilute HCl which contains 7.3 grams of dissolved gas. So when we write the equation, chemical equation for this, calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride, water and CO2, carbon dioxide. In order to balance this equation, 2HCl comes. So here 1 mole, 2 mole, 1 mole. 1 mole of calcium carbonate is reacting with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. According to gram molecular weight, gram molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100 grams. 2 into 36.5 is the gram molecular weight of HCl. According to this equation, 73 grams of HCl is involved in this reaction. So he is not asking about CaCl2 and H2O, here CO2 44 grams. According to equation, 100 grams of calcium carbonate is reacting with 73 grams of HCl to produce 44 grams of carbon dioxide. In these two, which one is the limiting reagent, which decides the formation of product? To know that one, we have two methods. The first method is, I am saying you now, the second method is our trick. So in the first method, in this first method, see students, according to equation, 100 grams of calcium carbonate requires 73 grams of HCl to produce 44 grams of CO2. According to the given problem, 50 grams of calcium carbonate is present. So 50 grams of calcium carbonate requires how much grams of HCl to complete this reaction? Now we will see the calculation now. In this calculation, 50 into 73 divided by 100. Ones, twos, 36.5. So, for reacting with 50 grams of calcium carbonate, how much HCl is required? 36.5 grams of HCl is required. But in the given problem, how much grams of HCl is there? Only 7.3 grams of HCl is there. When compared to this, 7.3 is less, so that hydrochloric acid is the limiting reagent. And the other is excess reagent. We prove that excess reagent also. According to the equation, 100 grams of calcium carbonate requires 73 grams of HCl. But how much grams of HCl is there in the problem? 7.3 grams of HCl is there in the problem. It requires how much grams of calcium carbonate? When you do cross multiplication, 7.3 into 100 divided by 73. Ones tens, answer is 10. 10 grams of calcium carbonate is enough to react with 7.3 grams of HCl. But in the problem, how much is there? How much grams of calcium carbonate is there? 50 grams of calcium carbonate is there. So, when compared to this value, 50 is excess, so that it is excess reagent. It confirms that HCl is the limiting reagent. The formation of product is based on limiting reagent, that is HCl in this reaction. So this is method 1. Method 2 is the trick. I will tell you what is that. So now going to trick to find the limiting reagent. Our trick is N by S. N means number of moles. S means stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric coefficient. We know students, number of moles equals to weight by gram molecular weight. So for calcium carbonate, what is N value? Weight by gram molecular weight. Weight given is 50 grams divided by gram molecular weight is 100. Ones, twos. 1 by 2. That means 0.5. How many number of moles of calcium carbonate is present here? 0.5. And for HCl also we are doing N by S. For HCl, how much given? 7.3 divided by molecular weight of HCl is 36.5. So that equals to 0.2 comes here. So 0.2 is the lesser one when compared to 0.5. That's why HCl is the limiting reagent. So this is the trick to understand, to find limiting reagent in the given equation. So N by S. So you have to follow for so many reactions. So this is the trick. N by S is the best way to find limiting reagent based on which we can expect the formation of product. Okay, now I am coming back to the problem. In this problem, limiting reagent is HCl. Excess reagent is calcium carbonate. So limiting reagent decides the formation of product. So according to the equation, 73 grams of HCl produces 44 grams of carbon dioxide. In the problem, they gave that 7.3 grams of HCl forms how many grams of carbon dioxide? We do cross multiplication. 7.3 into 44 divided by 73. 1/10, that means 4.4 grams of CO2 which is liberating. Another one is also there. Another question is also there in the problem. That question is find the number of molecules of CO2. Molecules of CO2. We know 1 mole of any gas at STP contains Avogadro number of molecules. 1 mole means for carbon dioxide 44 grams. 44 grams of carbon dioxide contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Then 4.4 grams of CO2 contains how many moles? 4.4 into that value divided by 44. 1/10. 10s 22. Simply 6.023 into 10 power 22 moles of carbon, 22 molecules of carbon dioxide is present. Okay, this is the question regarding limiting reagent. I think you understand this problem. I will give you a problem for you. Try to solve it using limiting reagent concept. Okay, students, you have to try this problem. In this problem, see, in a gas phase reaction, 10 kilograms of nitrogen, 50 kilograms of nitrogen and 10 kilograms of hydrogen are mixed to produce ammonia. Identify the limiting reagent. Calculate the maximum amount of ammonia produced. So you have to try this problem. First of all, write the balanced equation for the formation of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. And the weights of nitrogen and hydrogen are given. From that you have to find the limiting reagent based on which you can calculate the amount of ammonia formed in this reaction. Okay, students, thank you very much. Try to solve it. We will see in the next class.